Let's give it a test drive.
Conveyor belt? What's that for?
It's to move the food around the restaurant, Scoop. Ready, steady. Lunchtime, builders. Toot toot.
Oh, wow, that's so cool!
Fabulous, Chef Tatty. This is my favourite kind of dining.
Last chance for lunch, Bob. Bon appetit.
OK, I'll try this one.
What do you think, Bob?
Tattylicious! Hey!
Well, Scoop, what do you think of the conveyor belt?
I think it's magical.
I can't believe Sylvain pulled that rabbit out of his head.
Now that's proper magic, that is.
Ha! That's not magic. This is magic. Behold! The colour-changing bowls of mystery. Green, red, blue and purple, all sitting on the table. Abracadabra, alakazala. Come on. Make the bowls change their colour! Ta-da! Pink, white, yellow, orange.
Wow! That actually is quite a good trick, Scoop.
Oh, yes.
It's brilliant. Do it again, Scoop.
Yes, go on, Scoop, do it again.
OK then. Abracadabra, Whoa, not so fast. Slow down. Slow down. Whoa! Stop! Stop!
Ouch! Whoa! No!
Stop! Stop! Abracadabra!
Oh, Scoop, what have you done?
Oh, I am so sorry. I was just trying to wow Muck and Lofty with a magic trick.
Magic tricks take a lot of practice, Scoop. And preferably not using building materials or lunch.
Oh, this is a disaster. You'll never finish before tonight's audience arrives.
If we work hard, I think we can fix it in time.
So, team, let's get to work.